In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Docs to Google Sheets. This is a really handy skill, especially if you're managing projects, collaborating with teams, or just trying to keep your data organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly connect your documents and spreadsheets for effortless data handling. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheet. If you haven't created one yet, simply head over to Google Sheets and either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that contains the data you want to link. Once you have your spreadsheet open, you'll need to identify the specific table or data range that you want to link to your Google Doc. Next, highlight the table or range of data in your Google Sheet. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells you want to highlight. As you select your data, make sure you've covered all the cells you want to appear in your Google Docs because this is what you'll be linking over. Once your data is highlighted, perform a right-click with your mouse. This will bring up a context menu. From this menu, go ahead and select the copy option. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac, to copy the data. Now let's transition over to Google Docs. Open Google Docs and either start a new document or open an existing one where you want the data to appear. Once your document is ready, decide where in the text you want to place the spreadsheet data. Click on that spot in your document, then right-click and choose the Paste option from the menu. Again, a quick shortcut for this action is Control-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. When you paste this data, Google Docs will prompt you with an option window. In this window, you'll see an option that says Link to Spreadsheet. This is the crucial step to ensure that your doc is not only pasting the data statically, but actually linking to the original spreadsheet. Select this option to maintain a live connection between your Google Docs and Google Sheets. Finally, click on Paste. With this step completed, your Google Doc now displays the data from your Google Sheets and remains connected to it. What this means is, any changes you make in the Google Sheet will be reflected in this document when you update the link. And there you have it. You've just linked Google Sheets data directly into a Google Doc. This connection is invaluable for dynamic reporting and collaboration, ensuring that your documents stay up to date with the latest data. Thank you for following along and happy organizing.